free Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get a Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So whenever you open up the Telegram application, right off the bat, the very first thing that it asks me is to simply enter my phone number, right? So there's no option to log in with email, there's no option to create an account using a Gmail or other forms of services like that. Now there is no way on Telegram that you can actually create an account without your phone number, right? Because that is not possible. Telegram is a number-to-number basis application, and they do this in order to verify that you're not a bot. Because if a Telegram app does not require phone number, bots can join in on the chat, making the Telegram platform totally spammy. That is why they require you to have a legal, valid and working phone number. And as a Telegram user, I hope that you understood this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.